pollution is so prevalent in the environment, and it'll only increase from here on out. And there was especially a big surge during COVID-19. And I think it's really important that we recognize that these plastics will have effects on the future of the environment, and then also they'll have effects on us, either indirectly or directly.
When I started the summer, I was actually a bio major, so I was looking for something biology-based. I was put in contact with Dr. Mensch through my organic chemistry professor, and he said that she works with cells and does cell culturing, which is something that I was really interested in.
So I initially didn't have a topic that I was so interested in. I knew that I wanted to be in research, and I had learned about it from a teammate just hearing about it at practice. She let me come in and shadow, and I realized that this research topic, working with nanoplastics, was something I was really interested in because of its environmental relevance and sort of the larger scale impact of not only plastics with humans, but plastics in waterways and plastics for like aqueous environments for like animals like fish.
It's kind of our responsibility as humans to try to leave the planet in a better place than we left it. And right now there's a lot of things that humans are contributing to waterways, and we're not really sure what impact that's going to have in the long run. And so that's really what my group is focused on thinking about, is what are these plastics doing, and can we come up with ways to mitigate any harmful impacts that they might have.
So Dr. Mensch is really understanding, and she honestly cares about me as a person and not just as a research assistant.
She always makes me see the positive side of it, like, okay, yeah, this is science, it's not always supposed to work.
Yeah, so this is the first time these three have been together, but the three really have become quite good friends. They, laugh and joke together, but they also help each other out. So there's a lot of mentoring that happens between the three students, and a lot of collaborating on experiments, analyzing data together, or really helping each other come up with the next steps in their research. And so it's a team environment, and it helps a lot that they get along so well.
I think it's really great that I was provided the opportunity to do research as an underclassman, because it prepared me for writing papers for other science classes that I'll come into contact with in the future. It helped me build connections not only with Dr. Mensch, but also other professors within the chemistry department.
At a bigger institution, you don't really have that one-on-one that we get here at Lafayette. So I think being in this environment and talking with my colleagues closely every single day, it allows me to not only see where they're coming from and what they're doing, but also build on different skills that I can take with me if I were to go to grad school or when I graduate.
Well, it helps me decide what I want to do in my future. I wasn't really too sure about it, but I know that research is not what I previously thought it was 2 months ago, where I thought maybe I'd be sitting in a lab alone all day working with the same instrument. Here I get kind of the hands-on approach of getting to do research, but also driving my own interests and also meeting other students in the process and making friends.